Alright class, so today we're going to do something a little interesting to start out the day. What you're going to do, by the end of the day we're going to be able to categorize a bunch of instruments by the clefs that they're in. So we went over the clefs the other day, and so basically what I want you to do for the first part of the day, or for the first couple minutes actually, is to write down in these 4 categories as many instruments as you can put into each category. Some of them are not going to have a lot of instruments and some of them might have a lot, so just as many as you can think of in each category. So I'll give you guys a couple of minutes to go ahead and get started on that.
There was suddenly a shadow over me.
It's okay, I'm not that scary.
You're so long.
Where's question marks?
Just give it your best guess. Alright, go ahead and wrap it up. And, alright, so, what we're going to do is, as a class, we're all going to share our instruments, and I'm going to write on the board everybody's answers. We're going to share them one by one, so I want everybody to stand up, actually. Alright, and then when I call on you, I want you to give me one instrument in any clef, okay? So, Maddie, what do you have?
I have a question.
Oh, what's the question?
So, if you know that instrument plays in 2 different clefs, can you say both?
It can go in both clefs, yeah, that's good. That's a good question, and in fact, that will be helpful to some of your classmates. Alright, and now here's the fun thing. When I call on someone, so if I call on, like, Maddie first, when she lists off, if she lists off an instrument, and I write it on the board, then if you have it on your paper in that same clef, you cross it off of your paper, okay? And then once your whole paper is all crossed out, you're going to sit down. So, who wants to go first? Alright, Gavin, what have you got?
Alto clef is the viola.
Alright, the viola. Alright. Okay, anyone else? Yes, Maddie.
French horn under treble and bass.
Alright, we got the horn.
Wait, are we crossing off our own as well?
Yeah, cross it off of your own as well.
If you didn't put it in the right spot, should I cross it out?
That's my question.
That's a good question. So where did you put it?
Alto.
Alright, it doesn't typically read in the alto clef, so go ahead and cross it out.
Okay.
If it's, yeah.
That's okay. I was like, I don't know where it goes.
Alright, what did you get, Alyssa?
Bass.
You put the bass in the bass clef, that makes sense.
Yes!
I got one right.
Alright, good. And what
Did
do
you?
you got?
I have in the alto section saxophone.
In the alto clef? Well, it is called an alto saxophone.
No.
It reads actually in a different clef. It reads in the treble clef.
If you put it in the treble clef, you cross it out now.
Well, since I'm going to write it on the board, we're going to cross it out, yeah.
Oh man, that's okay.
A sax.
Alright, yes, Kevin.
Got trombone in both tenor and bass clef.
Yes, the trombone does read in both of those
Yes!
clefs.
Yes. I need to say.
Alright, and actually, did anybody else put it anywhere else? Did anyone else put it anywhere else? Alright, there are actually some very rare times where it might even read as high as the alto clef, but that's not very common, so we're not going to worry about that. Alright, let's hear from the front row. I know there's more on your list because nobody's sitting down yet. Just go for it.
I have tuba and bass, but I don't know.
Yeah, the tuba does read in bass.
Yes.
That means I'm out though.
Oh, well, then go ahead and sit down.
That's a cello and bass.
The cello does read in bass clef.
Heyo.
I'm just gonna... Gavin?
Got cello also in tenor clef.
Cello also reads in tenor clef. Yeah?
I said trumpet and treble, but I'm not sure.
Trumpet does read in treble. Yeah, okay, Gavin, yeah.
Got the oboe in treble clef.
The oboe reads in treble. Yes, Maddie.
And so does the English horn.
And so does the English horn. Wow. All right, the E horn. That's how I'm shortening that.
And the A sax.
Yeah. Well, now it's just oboe saxes. Yeah.
I don't know if I could use this instrument, but I said guitar in trouble.
The guitar does read in treble clef, and that's a perfectly legitimate instrument. So.
Who's gonna win? Who's
I
gonna
will
win?
fight you.
All right. How many do you have left, Gavin?
I've got timpani in treble clef.
Oh no, Gavin.
Isn't it?
Timpani does not read in treble clef. Maddie, do you know where it reads?
Bass clef.
Timpani reads in bass
Yeah,
clef.
It's not on my list, but I know where it reads.
So I've still got more options.
I do too.
Go ahead. Then.
Wow. All right.
The contrabass, bassoon, and bass.
Wow. That's
I didn't
very.
even think about
That's
that.
very specific.
Take
Slash
that.
contra bass bassoon.
I got you. I got you on this.
Wow. Okay. Yeah.
Isn't it in rare circumstances a bass plays in either the tenor or treble
The
clef?
bass will play in tenor. Yeah.
Get
And
outta here.
and in Shostakovich String Quartet 8, it does read in treble, but
Okay, actually,
that's like one occasion. And...
Oh, do you have anything left?
I didn't think about the piccolo.
And the piccolo's in trouble.
Gavin, are you sitting down? Oh, Maddie wins. All right. Wow, that's not how you spell pickle.
Whoa.
All right. So as you see, we got a whole bunch of instruments.
Mr. Murphy being
Yes.
a sore loser. You
Uh,
threw my stuff on the ground.
Gavin, behave.
Sorry.
All right, as you see, we got a whole bunch of instruments on this list now. Next, we're going to actually learn about the ranges of each of these clefs, and that'll explain sort of why instruments fit into certain clefs. All right?